You know, the one thing that I said and that I'm a firm believer in is that if other people can do it, we can too. As soon as I get all these listed on the website, I'll let you know where that's at. Hey, 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 it's Terry, Virginia's daughter, and I am back in the year 2000. This Cheetah Bee by Peter Noviello and Cherie Bloom, 6810, too small. Isn't that cute? I wish I'd made this at some point. Like, seriously, this is so cute. This should be brand new, unless I call myself gonna make it one time will, and I guess I did. So I will have to see. I'm sure that the largest size is here. Yeah, so I will have to sell it as used, not as a factory fold. And I've been doing a little research on, you know, how people sell their patterns, and I did see where it says used. So if you know that it's used going in, then you know what to expect. This one, I got this at a thrift store. It is Butterick 3853. It is just a petite jumper and overalls, and it is extra small, small, and medium. And I'm gonna donate this. I'm gonna give it back. It's in good shape, but I made it once. I made it out of a linen, and I mean, I don't love it. I just don't love it. So I could find a reason to keep it, because as I'm looking, I kind of like this one and this one. Okay, I made this one, but these are all looking cute, but I'm gonna donate it. So that's the donate pile. All right, now we are moving to 2004, I do believe. Yes, let me make sure. Here's a skirt pattern. It's Simplicity 4753. That just hemline and flounce variations. I don't like this anymore. It's 6, 8, 10, 12. I'm not even sure why I bought this pattern. I think the model looks really cute, but it's just not my style. So, and I must have cut this at some point. I guess thinking I was going to make it. If it was my style, it's not my style anymore. So I can't think of why I would have bought it. Like, none of these views really appeal to me. I will donate this just because, you know, if somebody likes it, they can get it for free or a small cost. Here's another blouse pattern, Simplicity 4879, 6, 8, 10, 12. And it's just got sleeve variations. This should be uncut, factory folded. I'm going to sell this one. Yeah, everything's there. I'm going to put this in the sell pile. Again, that's Simplicity 4789. This is a McCall's petite pattern 260. I know I've made this top before. I don't know what else I've made. This is for knits only. This is actually a large, extra large. I'll keep this one. And this is McCall's 4663. This is an 8 to 14. I used to love this type of kind of long jacket, long coat with pants and a skirt. But I don't necessarily care for this anymore, so I will donate this. Yeah, I've never cut into this, so it's like never been used. So I'm gonna sell this. Again, see what I mean? I think I used to just really love these. And this again is the jacket, line vest, skirt, and pants. And this is McCall's 4601. This is probably just as new. Yeah, I can tell. It's nice. I like it, but not enough to keep. I don't love it anymore. So maybe somebody else can get a use out of it. So far, I have 2 stacks to sell. I've made this skirt. This is Simplicity 4787. And if you see me looking over here, I'm trying to make sure this is in the monitor so you can see it. Mrs. Skirt variations, that's it. It's 6 through 12. This has been used. I'm going to donate this. I used to love this dress. I said used to. I mean, I think it's very cute. Like view A is cute. It's just a pullover bias dress with neckline variations. And although I had many intentions on making this, it's a 46810, so yeah, I'll try and sell this. Should have made it when I had the chance. Did I do 2004? I love this and love this still, but I really can't do anything with it, so I'm going to sell this one. I don't think it's been cut. I can tell you it hasn't. Look how fat that is. I really like this. I like this. I like this. I should have made that when I had the chance. I don't love this anymore, so I will sell this Mrs. Petite top, pants, skirt, jacket, and scarf. This is probably brand new. Well, I keep saying brand new, right? You already know. This is good. It feels good. Yeah. It feels good. I really like View A, like this little camisole there, I'm gonna call it, but I'm not gonna. This is new or not used. I'm going to sell this. This is a basic design. I really don't like this coat anymore. I don't like those lines too much. It's a petite coat. It says easy. I know that I've never used that one, so I'm gonna sell that one as well. I think it's nice. I just don't like it for myself anymore. Yeah, it's never been cut. I should have made this when I had the chance. This is Linda Allard for Ellen Tracy, and I used to love these patterns. Petite tunic and pants. Isn't that cute? That is just so simple and cute. But again, it's a 6/8/10, so I'll be selling it, and it's never been cut. Virginia and I bought patterns like this alike. I remember she had the same pattern. It's just a jacket, skirt, and pants, and I don't love this anymore. It should be not cut, so I will sell this one. I mean, look at that. You know what I mean? When I take a look, I'm like, look at all these patterns that I'm never going to use. Had I not gone through this process, they'd still be taking up space. Now, again, they're going to take up space until I sell them, but at least, you know, I have them in a category. They're not just sitting there for no reason at all. So, yeah, I can't stress how glad I am about this and how good it feels. This is cute, but I'm not going to keep it. I have no need for it any longer. It's a Mrs. Petite top and belt. Very cute. Obviously, is it knit? It looks like it would be knit. Oh, no. Challis, silks, crepe, double Georgette jersey. Yeah, that's cute. It's never been cut. Factory folded. Here we have another pants pattern. It's 6/8/10/12. Just side pockets, mock fly, and hem variations. This has never been cut. I'll donate this. All right, now can we get back in order? So this then is my Kwik Sew 3335, extra small, small, medium, and large. I will be keeping this. I love this. Love, love, love. I'm not sure if the contents got misplaced somewhere in this table, but I know that I have the envelope with the contents in it. It's not with it, so I'm not sure. It was late last night when I was doing this. This is Vogue 8028. You all might remember this one. Oh my goodness, I made this dress. This is a classic shirt dress. I made View A. So I know this pattern is used. This is size B, 8/10/12. I'm pretty sure this is intact. I'm gonna donate this. Classic shirt dress. Somebody will be happy to get this pattern, I'll tell you. I enjoyed it. Here we have Butterick 4610, a variety of jackets here. It's lined, has princess seams, patch pockets, single button closing. This is cute. I remember when I got this. I'm sure this is uncut. Oh, it's cut. So I will try to sell this as used. But you know what? I haven't donated any jackets. I'm going to donate this. I still love this suit actually, but I'm not going to keep this pattern. Or maybe I should say I still like it because I don't love it enough to keep. It's an easy pattern, petite jacket and skirt. The jacket is unlined. I will actually try to sell this. I think this is kind of classic. And, well, it's been cut, so I must have wanted to make it at some point. I'll sell it as used. this cute little top I've also made before, Butterick 4685. It's a fast and easy, 8, 10, 12, 14. And it just says very easy pullover top, has sleeve and neckline variations, trim, and whatnot. And like I said, I know I've made this before, and I'm almost sure, well, it looks like I had to make some adjustments. So let's take a look at this. I see that there's tissue paper on here. Oh, I see. So I lengthened it. I feel like I should pitch this because I don't want it, and you know, I'm not going to take this off and reattach it. So this will be, would you donate this? I don't think I will. I think I'm just going to pitch this. Shirt dress classic. You can't get past this. This is 12, 14, 16, 18. McCall's 4769. And I mean, this is really classic. I mean, this is very, very nice. I don't think I cut into this, but yeah, it's factory folded. I'll sell this one. I think this should be able to sell. You could never have too many shirt dress patterns. And then we have McCall's 4870. This is a 8, 10, 12, 14. And it's just a Mrs. Petite dress. I love anything with a flounce, pretty much. I think I used this bottom portion for something. I remember UC. Yeah, and I did. I mean, oh yeah, this is all. So I must not have had tissue paper because I got this. I mean, this is heavy. This is almost cardboard. I don't know what I was thinking at the time. So yeah, I will. This doesn't look like this pattern though, does it? This does not look like this pattern. Let's see. 66. Oh. This is 6648. Look at that. This is 6648. Oh, this must be the pattern that I put it with. This will be trash. I'm going to throw this away. Next is McCall's 5007. It's a 6, 8, 10, 12. I actually still like this, but I can part with it. I don't think I've ever cut into it. I will try to sell this one. Yep, it's never been cut. So if you don't mind, I'm going to put these pitches just right down here. Not in the trash, just down here. Okay, that gives me some more room. So that was 2005.